Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is red color, blue color, pink color, parrot color, green color, orange color, purple color, and the last one is yellow color. Now it's time to color a boat. How many boats can you see? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 boats.